Welcome back. Let's learn the rest of When I Am Baptized. We'll start yet again in C position, and this has top and bottom. We play each twice and we just go back and forth. Top, bottom, top, bottom. So here we go with words. I want my life to be as clean. Great, that was phrase 3. Now we're going to go back to phrase 2. Just as a reminder, this is top almost down to the bottom, repeating the top and the fourth finger twice. And it goes like this. Now with words. As earth right after rain. Next up is phrase 3 again. Remember, that's top, bottom, top, bottom. Now, we're going to make a small adjustment when we play sentence 3 the second time through. And what we're going to do is when we return to top, so we play top and bottom. When we get back to top, we're going to shift our fingers up 1, so we play that top note with our forefinger. So then we can go 1 more note up with our pinky. And then we return to the bottom twice. So with the words, it sounds like this. I want to be the best I can. And finally, we have sentence 4. We start at the bottom, we go almost up to the top, and then we return back to the bottom. Repeating that bottom twice. With the words, it sounds like this. And live with God again. Great. Let's play it all the way through, starting on sentence 3. This is top and bottom bouncing back and forth. Ready, go. Sentence 2. Phrase 3. Remember to move the second time through to your forefinger to G. Back to C position for sentence 4. Let's do it again with the words. I want my life to be as clean as earth right after rain. I want to be the best I can and live with God again. Now let's play the whole song through, starting on phrase 1. I like to look for rainbows whenever there is rain, and ponder on the beauty of the earth made clean again. I want my life to be as clean as earth right again. Nice job. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you back real soon.